President Donald Trump has threatened to withhold federal funding from Maine if the state does not comply with his recent executive order banning transgender women from competing in women's sports. This executive order, signed earlier this month, denies federal funding to schools that allow trans women or girls to participate in women's sports, effectively making them non-compliant with Title IX. During a meeting with the National Governors Association, Trump directly addressed Maine Governor Janet Mills, stating that Maine would lose all federal funding if it did not adhere to the new policy. Mills responded by affirming that Maine would follow state and federal law, adding, "See you in court." The Maine Principals Association has maintained its policy allowing transgender women athletes to compete, citing that Trump's executive order contradicts the state's Human Rights Act. Governor Mills has vowed to take legal action if Trump attempts to withhold federal funding, emphasizing that her administration and the Attorney General will work to restore the funding and academic opportunities it provides. The legal basis for Trump's action is disputed, with constitutional law professor Dimitri Bam suggesting that a president cannot impose his own conditions on federal grant funding and lacks the legal authority to withhold all federal funding to coerce a state into adopting a certain policy. The Constitution grants this power to Congress, which must clearly define conditions for funding and cannot be coercive. This controversy highlights the ongoing debate over transgender athlete participation in sports and the potential legal challenges that may arise from such executive actions. Don't miss the latest news from the world of technology and finance. Subscribe to our channel now.